we've set ourselves up a nice walk today. Day off work, so I thought I'd get out and do a bit of walking and find some gold. So we'll get into that. We're already about an hour into the walk. So I've found a little bit of gold so far. So we'll keep walking and keep you updated. Alright, so we've been digging in this bedrock for a bit. Had a couple of scratches over there, not much. I've come to this area here. I've just sort of cleaned that out roughly. And I've been knocking back some stuff over here. I have not touched none of that. I've only cleaned out this little area here. And we've got a nice size flake in there. So let's see if I can pick that up. I can pick it up. Nice. Alright, well, I'll get my snuffer bottle, I'll snuff that up, and we'll keep going on this crevice. Good to finally see a couple of big puddles. Sadly, I had to walk 4Ks for it, but there's big puddles. So it's come to the end of the day. Had a good one, good couple of hours. We come out here about 10 o'clock and it's now about 4 in the afternoon. So we've had a good one. Didn't find much gold, but we got out, we had some fun, and that's what it's all about, getting out in the bush and enjoying yourself, really. So I'll throw a photo of the gold up on the screen right now. Not a great deal, but we had some fun. We got out of our house for a bit, so it's always good. So if you guys like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, don't forget to get out and get into it.